Hey everyone, Allison Rauch, Public Information Coordinator here to provide you the next update as we work to restore services after Tropical Storm Helene. I wanted to let you know that we are still waiting on Duke Energy to get their transmission lines back up. Those feed Greer CPW substations. So in the meantime, we are working on clearing lines, fixing equipment that is damaged so that once those transmission lines get back up, we can quickly restore your service. In my last video, I talked to you about how we prioritize restorations. So hospitals, water, wastewater treatment plants next, and then we prioritize how we can get the largest number of customers, whether that's residential or commercial, back on. So that's how we prioritize our restorations. Hospitals first, water and wastewater treatment plants second, and then residential and commercial, getting the most customers restored as possible. I'm going to be updating our outage map. That has not been functioning correctly, so you have not been able to see how many outages that we have. We currently have about 23,000 customers without power as of this video, and so I am just encouraging you to prepare for longer than normal restoration times. I am reiterating, please stay off the road. It is getting ready to get dark. Our crews are still going to be out trying to clear the roads, clear limbs off of our power lines. Please do not be moving out and about. There is debris all over the roads. Power lines, not power lines, traffic lights are still not functioning correctly. So especially as it is getting dark, please stay off the road so our crews can do their work. If you've already called into customer service to report your outage, please do not do that again. If you've reported it online, please do not do that again. We are working as quickly as we can, but I'm just going to repeat what I went over in case we have some new people joining us. We are still waiting on Duke Energy to restore their transmission lines, which feed Greer CPW's substations. We currently have about 23,000 customers as of this video without power, and we are going to be prioritizing hospitals, water plant, wastewater treatment plant, and then working to get as many commercial and residential customers back up as possible. So want to prepare you for longer than normal restoration times related to this storm. And please stay off the road, especially as it is getting dark tonight. Our crews will be out working around the clock. You can see I'm out here. There are no trucks really around, which is good news because that means that they are all out in the field working. We appreciate your comments. I'm trying to get to all of them. But just appreciate your patience, your prayers, your thoughts, and encouragement of our crews. I'll provide another update when I can. Thank you guys. Appreciate it.